Lately, I've felt a little stretched thin. You know that feeling, like your mind won't slow down, even when your body does. When I notice that happening, I don't force myself to create something perfect. I just reach for my brush and begin. In this video, we are painting loose watercolor roses, followed by calming pen line details. There's no pressure, just flow, softness, and a chance to breathe. If you are carrying stress or creative burnout, this is for you. Let's create something gentle and healing together. Before I even began painting, I paused and reminded myself, this isn't about getting right, it's about letting go. With my big mop brush, I painted the basic shape of a rose, loose and open, no sketch, no rules. Then with a smaller brush, I dropped in cadmium yellow in the center, like a quiet glow. To suggest a few statements, I dabbed in some creamy raw sienna, just tiny dots, but they brought it to life. I repeated the process for 2 more roses. One had more orange tones, but another one I painted with a slightly deeper mix. Cadmium red added warmth and richness. Each rose came out different, just like we do depending on the day. That's the beauty of intuitive painting. Next, I mixed a fresh green, just green, and cadmium yellow, and used small brush to paint loose rose leaves. No rigid outlines, just flowing shapes. Then I added a branch to connect the roses. That simple act of connecting things felt symbolic somehow, a reminder that we are all connected, even when we feel scattered. After everything dried, I picked up my fountain pen. I began tracing the outer edges of the petal, not perfectly, just loosely enough to echo the softness of the watercolor. Then I added a few creative pattern lines, curves, or simple line textures that felt calming to draw. This part is like exhaling through your fingertips. There's no right or wrong, just what feels soothing to you. also added a few doodle lines to the leaves. A vein here, a circle there, nothing too structured. Think of it like stitching piece into the page, one line at a time. If you have been feeling creatively drained or mentally foggy, I hope this video offered you a little calm, a little space to just be. Art doesn't have to be perfect to be powerful. Sometimes it's messy, intuitive things we create when we are overwhelmed that speak the most truth. If you would like to see the final finished piece up close, along with more reflections from this painting session, head over to my blog page in the description below. I will share photos, color mixes, and a few gentle thoughts about how this process helped me shift from burnout to calm. And tell me in the comments what colors or creative practices help you reset when you are overwhelmed. Thanks for painting with me. Take a deep breath. You did something beautiful today.